Another beautiful day of homeschool, which means we're still the teacher, lunch lady, janitor, and guidance counselor, but hey, at least the commute's short. We're focusing in on lesson 19, first grade Abeka. As always, we like to open our morning and see what supplies and books are needed. Our flashcard W, our spelling and poetry, our books, Fun with Pets and handbook, Bible, friends for our seat work, our language, letters and sounds, our speed drill arithmetic book, as well as our arithmetic, writing with phonics, writing tablet, as well as our letters and sounds. We will have a test this day. We start our morning with our Bible video and move right into our seat work time, where instructions are found in the back of the manual, but these are the books that are needed.
4, 5, 6.
All right, so you're going to put 6 for the pandas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 for the eagles.
Hold the special sounds and mark the vowels. Let's say our tur and train and ship special sounds together. Tur and train, T-R,
Tur.
And ship as dragon.
Match the special sound with the picture. Head, I believe. This is a duck, ship.
Duck. At the end?
At the end, yeah. Good. Or just anyone. Fly. Okay. That's a stop sign. Pray. Stop sign. Plane. Good. Nice and fast.
Our remember box tells us when S is added to the
This
Cat.
doggy. This is dog, so
carefully, we have
Yep. Match it. Dog. No, this is a dog. This would be dogs.
oh, dogs. That's dog.
No, that's dogs.
What did I say?
Like this is cats.
the picture with one picture.
Good. And that's a pail. 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 That's pail. Pail. Good.
That's kind of fun.
Okay, match these. This one says the pig is in a pen. What does this one say?
The dog will lick
Tim's
nap or
hand.
hand.
Right. We then moved on into our AM reading group giraffes.
The rat had a bat. The rat had a hat. Bad rat. Sad Sam.
Good job. You could go ahead and get test 2 out of our letters and sounds. Write the vowel that is in dog. Perfect. Next one, pig.
Pig.
And what is the vowel in elephant?
E.
And the vowel in apple?
A.
Great. And the vowel in umbrella?
U.
Good. Good. Hug. R. Good job. Si.
House, 3. Eyes,
Ta. Ta.
Bear.
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 Okay, we turn the page and we're going to write the word our teacher says. So let's just wait. 10.
Write the count to the number 10.
To the number 10.
Okay, on the next.
The squirrel picked up that nut in the tree.
Hat.
The cowboy put his hat on his head. Trey hit the baseball hard. Hit.
Hit. Hit. We're going to read the last row. What's this one?
Win, tub, leaf, wane, game.
You could go ahead and grade and record it in the back of the book. So we then moved into writing.
We'll make a slanted stick to the pink carpet. Then we'll slant back up to the dotted line and slant down to the pink carpet and finish with our last slanted.
And jumped right into arithmetic. Okay, go.
Good job, Henry. Watch those signs. Finish rolling back and check.
Good. You did 45 seconds.
29,
30
30. 5 seconds, that's 4. Pat, cat. Pat had a cat. The cat sat in Pat's lap.
And moved into spelling poetry, where they will need the book. Their list one will be introduced today.
These are special words. These are
Special.
called sight
Duh.
words, and a sight
What
word
is this one?
The.
The, right.
We can't sound it out or put it together like our pieces of the puzzle. Instead, we'll just practice memorizing how to spell those words. Now, in a moment, R-A-N, ran.
Ran.
R-A-N, ran.
Sun. The sun is in the sky.
Sun.
My turn first. Sun.
S-U-N, sun. Your turn.
Sun. S-U-N, sun.
Those two facts. While they're doing that, I've got a challenge for
Very
us.
nice.
I
And
have
then
some
do the
combination
twin.
flashcards.
Right
Twin.
below it, do
Colored
the
up
twin.
one of the numbers that's being added. And I want you to tell me what is under.
All right, that's a wrap on another episode of Learning at Home and Losing My Mind. Hit that like button if you survived your homeschool day too. We're in this together.